If you're working on a project that involves optimizing the design for both desktop and mobile, then keep watching this video because we are going to be exploring how you can use Ruttle's mode to toggle between mobile and desktop while reviewing a website. So, let's say that you're working on a project and there might be multiple pages inside this project. Let's choose brutas.com for an example. I will simply let click on the view page and I will let Ruttl load up the website. Okay, the website is loaded up. Now, if you glance over at the control panel, you can see that there are multiple buttons over here. Just have a look at the two buttons besides the share button. The first says desktop, the second says mobile. All you need to do is click on mobile and Ruttl will immediately switch the design to the mobile mode. And you can start working on this right away. Let's say that you want to make changes on the mobile design on this button. So just head over to edit mode, click on the element. Let's say that you want to change the size of this, let's say 100 and 20 or maybe 50. And that's it. And once you switch back to the desktop mode, Ruttl will again optimize it back to the desktop version. And you will even be prompted with save changes or reset. You can choose save changes and these changes will also be reflected. That's how you work with the Ruttl's mobile feature. And thanks. I'll see you in the next video.